Toyota just built a truck with steel wheels, roll-up windows, and not a single airbag warning light you'd expect from a modern vehicle. And people are lining up to buy it. That should sound like a joke, but it's not. This is the Hilux Champ, and understanding why it works might change how you think about what actually makes a good truck.
Toyota launched the Hilux Champ in Thailand back in late 2023, and the timing wasn't random. Regular Hilux prices had been climbing for years, and Toyota noticed something. A huge chunk of buyers in emerging markets didn't want luxury. They wanted a cheap, tough workhorse they could customize themselves. So Toyota stripped the Hilux down to its bones and rebuilt it as something new.
And when we say stripped down, we mean it. The Thai-spec truck comes with black steel wheels and halogen headlights, with LEDs only as an option. No fake luxury, no unnecessary trim, just a truck that looks like it means business. Here's the surprising part. This isn't some cheap knockoff platform. The Hilux Champ is built on the same IMV platform as the real Hilux and shares its bones with the Land Cruiser FJ. So underneath that bare bones body, you're getting genuine Toyota truck DNA, not a budget imitation. Let's talk power, because Toyota gave buyers real choice here instead of one boring base engine. There's an entry-level 2.0-liter petrol making 137 horsepower and 183 newton-meters of torque, and a stronger 2.7-liter petrol putting out 164 horsepower and 245 newton-meters of torque, matching the standard Hilux's 1-ton payload capacity. Now, here's where it gets interesting for anyone who thinks manual transmissions are dead. The base engine only comes with a 5-speed manual gearbox, while the two upgraded engines can be paired with a 6-speed automatic. One catch, though. Every version sends power to the rear wheels only. There's no 4-wheel drive option, at least not for Thai buyers. For a truck built on rough roads and job sites, that's a real trade-off worth knowing before you get excited. So, how cheap are we actually talking? Prices start around $14,000, cheaper than the least expensive new truck currently sold in America. And even the fully loaded version comes in around $17,500. Think about that for a second. That's less than most people pay for a used mid-size truck here in the US. But price isn't even the cleverest part of this vehicle. Toyota designed the Hilux Champ to be a blank canvas. Engineers built bolt holes right into the bed, inviting owners to personalize the truck with aftermarket parts. And in Thailand alone, Toyota points buyers toward over 100 accessory manufacturers ready to transform it. Want a proper cargo box, a mobile food stall, a service van, a school bus? Someone in that accessory network can probably build it for you. That's not an accident. That's the entire business model. And it's not just a single configuration either. The Hilux Champ actually offers up to 10 different configurations, depending on the market. Short wheelbase, long wheelbase, drop side bed, flat deck, chassis cab, even a 4-door utility van layout. Toyota basically said, tell us what your business needs, and we'll build it. Here's something a lot of people don't realize. This truck already wears different names depending on where you are. In Indonesia, it's sold as the Hilux Rangga. In the Philippines, it's called the Tamarau. And in Peru, it goes by Hilux Stout. Same bones, different badge, same mission. Give budget-focused buyers and small businesses a truck they can actually afford. Now, if you're in the US watching this and thinking, when do I get one? I've got some bad news. Toyota has never confirmed a US launch, and honestly, the math doesn't work in our favor. Because it's built in Thailand and classified as a truck, importing it here would trigger both current tariffs and the long-standing chicken tax, potentially adding well over 60% to that original price. So that $14,000 truck could realistically balloon past $20,000 just from import costs alone, wiping out the entire reason people love it. That's the frustrating irony here. The exact thing that makes the Hilux Champ special, its rock-bottom simplicity and price, is also the reason it probably can't survive the trip to American shores. Still, Toyota clearly believes in this thing beyond just budget markets. Toyota Gazoo Racing Thailand actually built a race-prepped version of the Champ, fitting it with a roll cage, race wheels, and a tuned drivetrain to compete in the Thailand Super Series. A truck this basic, racing wheel-to-wheel against dedicated performance machines? That tells you Toyota isn't just phoning this in as an afterthought model. So here's the real takeaway. In a world where trucks keep getting more expensive, more complicated, and honestly harder to actually work with, Toyota went backward on purpose. And it's paying off. The Hilux Champ proves that a huge number of buyers don't want more technology. They want reliability, low cost, and the freedom to build the truck around their life, not the other way around. Would you want something this simple and this cheap here in America? Tariffs aside. Or do you think US buyers have been spoiled past the point of no return? Drop your honest take in the comments. If this kind of deep dive is what you're here for, hit like and subscribe, because we've got a lot more of these breakdowns coming.